Introducing technology into our children's education can be a scary thing. As soon as we are able to look past our phones, tablets, and laptops as gaming devices, we will be able to see them as useful educational devices. Implementing technology into our students' education will help them to get a deeper understanding of the content that is being taught. It will allow students at all levels to be able to access information at a level that is appropriate for them, and technology in our children's education will ready them for the working world. One way that I will be implementing technology in our students' education is by using a digital video. Instead of a formal test at the end of a unit, I will ask the children to make their own video of what they just learned. In my English class, they can either choose to make a movie trailer for the book, or they can change the ending of the book and play out the scenes the way they would have liked to have read it. Not only does this assignment require my students to complete the work that I assign them, but it also requires that they understand the content that they just read. For example, they cannot complete a video assignment without understanding the context of To Kill a Mockingbird. As parents, we all know that no two children are exactly the same. As a teacher, I am equally aware that no two students learn exactly the same. With that being said, I do not expect my students to be able to retain information the same way all of the time. Supplying the means for all of my students to get the information that they need to know from the different modes that suits each of the different learning preferences would seem like a very tall task for just one classroom teacher. By using technology and educational apps, I can differentiate and individualize each student's educational plan. Every parent knows a horror story or two that ties into using technology inappropriately. If we teach our students to use technology appropriately, they can use it to their advantage. Technology is becoming more and more prominent in the working world. Now, students must know how to do more than just read a book. They must be able to use word processing apps and decipher texts that include pictures and sounds. By learning how to do this in school, they will be ahead when they are in the working world.